it's Miss Megan back with another story time. Since we're talking about birds this week, we have a book about a wild bird. This is a woodpecker. So wild birds don't know humans, and they see us, but they don't like to come near us, and they fly around and they have their own lives. We last talked about a chicken, which is a domestic animal, which means it lives with humans. Woodpeckers are wild birds. So let's see what it's like for the life of a wild bird. Woodpeckers are birds with long, sharp beaks. Woodpeckers have long, sharp tongues. Woodpecker feathers have many colors and patterns. Woodpeckers live almost everywhere in the world. Most woodpeckers live in woodlands. So if you see the yellow or orange looking areas, those are the areas on our planet where woodpeckers live. Woodlands are covered with trees and shrubs. Woodlands are also called forests. Woodpeckers use their sharp claws to climb up and down trees. Most woodpeckers drill holes in tree trunks with their beaks. Woodpeckers make a drumming sound when they drill. Woodpeckers eat nuts, seeds, insects, and fruit. Woodpeckers sometimes make their nests inside trees. So we can see that wild birds have to find their own home. Domestic birds like chickens, humans give them a home. The end. That's our lesson on woodpeckers, a wild bird. We'll see you for the next story time. Bye.